But now we gotta head to the back of the car and put the back together. What up though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E. Hey, y'all know what's going on around here. Go copy out some work at teespring.com if you want to help support this channel. But it's time to reassemble the Copart Honda Civic. We're only 170,000 miles, 2003. Y'all know what it is if y'all been watching my channel. If y'all haven't, if y'all new to the channel, that's what I'm working on. This should be the last video of the Copart Honda series. Hopefully I can put everything back together. It's been a while since I worked on this car, and I don't even know where the nuts and bolts are at or where they go. But I'm a smart guy. I'll figure it out. So let's jump on into it. tight. Got the front end back assembled. I got all the nuts and bolts and everything back in its place. All the fasteners are new. That's a used bumper from the junkyard, so it's kind of scuffed up and scraped up. But those are brand new headlights from Amazon. I don't know how well y'all can hear me because I unplugged my mic. So I'm using the internal mic on the GoPro just because it's windy out here and I want no more of that popping. So whenever it's popping, I'm gonna be turning the mic off using the internal mic on the GoPro. Got pollen in the air. So like I said, I got all new fasteners. Got 4 on top. Got all the fasteners replaced on the bottom and screws. Everything is nice and tight. Still got to power wash the motor, get some of that grease off. I did change the valve cover gasket. Y'all remember all that. Still got to put the trimming back on. But now we got to head to the back of the car and put the back together. Bless me. I already put the spoiler back on. This little trim piece right there, I put back on. And I got the key locked back in place. So let's get to reassembling the rear end. And we'll be all done for this build. I know it's a long time coming, but we'll get her done eventually. So let me get back to work, 'cause I can't see nothing on my GoPro. Well, that's it. I just power washed the motor, get some of that oil off from the valve cover leak. That's why the car is all wet. But we'll walk around the car real quick. I'm getting better at my paint jobs. Only thing I'm missing is the EX, because it's a Honda Civic EX. And I like that newer badging off the new Honda Civics. I took that off of. Still got some more trim pieces to put back on. But I got to go to LKQ because I need more car parts for a different build. So if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If y'all didn't, give me a thumbs down. Share this video on your social media, with your friends, with your family, your co-workers. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. And consider subscribing to this channel. We also take Cash App donations. We have merch at teespring.com. And we take donation vehicles like the ones you may have seen on my other videos, if we got the space for it. Now remember, we're still trying to get that lot over there. If you follow me on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. There's all links in the description area below. And with all that said, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Peace.